Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're taking this area to that. So we're just doing a little bit of decor and clean with me today. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and thank you guys for watching. So first we're going to start off with this nasty fish tank, y'all. So we took the fish out, emptied out all of the dirty water and put clean water in there and also sprayed off the filter. Here, I'm just about to hang the TV on the wall, so I'm getting it ready, the mount ready to hang it up. All right, now we're just about to get ready to feed the fish and clean the area up and just get it looking nice. So in this area, I'm going to get some more decor pieces, but I just kind of use what I had for the video. But I haven't had time to go back to Hobby Lobby to get any flowers or anything, so I just kind of use what I had. Okay, you guys, so I really loved how the areas turned out. I love the colorful, fun look, and I'm happy with it. Of course, I'll be adding more decor pieces over time, but for right now, I really love the area. I think it looks really good. I think we did a good job on it.